Did you ever ponder about the origin of some of your favorite foods? Have you ever considered that many of them might have been invented in the state of Illinois? Prepare to embark on a culinary journey through the history of some of the most popular foods that originated in the Prairie State. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Italian beef sandwich. This juicy, meaty delight first made its appearance in the Windy City, Chicago during the early 20th century. Italian immigrants, seeking to make the most of the cheaper cuts of beef, slow-roasted them before thinly slicing the meat and soaking it in its own juices. Packed into an Italian-style roll, this sandwich quickly became a staple in the local diet. Next up at number 4, we have the Popsicle, an icy treat loved by all, especially during the sweltering summer months. It was in Illinois that Frank Epperson accidentally invented the Popsicle in the early 1900s. He left a mixture of powdered soda and water out overnight with a stirrer in it. To his surprise, he discovered it had frozen, and the rest, as they say, is history. Taking the third spot, we delve into the realm of breakfast foods with the brown and serve sausage. In the mid-20th century, the Jones Dairy Farm in Fort Atkinson, Wisconsin had a breakthrough. They developed a method to partially cook sausages so they could be quickly finished off at home. This innovation, which came to be known as the brown and serve technique, was patented in Illinois and revolutionized the way we enjoy our breakfast sausages. Our runner-up, at number 2, is a food product that has found its way into homes across the globe: the Twinkie. This cream-filled sponge cake was invented in Illinois in the early 1930s by James Dewar, a baker for the Continental Baking Company. Originally filled with banana cream, the filling was switched to vanilla cream during World War II due to a banana shortage, and has remained that way ever since. Finally, we arrive at our number 1 spot, the Chicago-style deep dish pizza. This hearty dish, characterized by its thick crust and layers of cheese sauce and toppings, was invented in the 1940s by Ike Sewell at his restaurant Pizzeria Uno. Since then, the deep dish pizza has become synonymous with Chicago and its culinary scene. In conclusion, Illinois has been the birthplace of many food innovations that have become beloved staples in our diets. From the hearty Italian beef sandwich to the sweet and creamy Twinkie, the state's culinary contributions are diverse and delicious. And who could forget the icy delight of the Popsicle or the breakfast convenience of the brown and serve sausage? And of course, the crowning glory, the Chicago-style deep dish pizza. These creations not only satisfy our cravings, but also serve as a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of those who dared to reinvent the culinary wheel. So next time you enjoy one of these foods, remember to tip your hat to the Prairie State.